Hi, welcome back to GNG. Today I discuss about find duplicates in an array. First I read this problem. Given an array A of size and which contains element from 0 to n minus 1, you need to find all the elements occurring more than once in the given array. Return the answer in an ascending order. Means that in an array, if any element occurred in a more than once, then you find this element. Okay, and element more than means that if you 2 3 element occurred in a more than once, then all elements written in a ascending order. This is the problem, but in a problem you can see in a input section, uh, you if you not have any duplicate elements, then written -1. So how can I approach? First I check this element array have a duplicate element or not. So now I check this. This is method, very easy method. How can I check? Only set is a unique collection of element. Then I check this length of array, length of R equal to length using set of R. If both are equal, then return -1. How now I define first d is equal to dect and new R list. Okay, then new R sorry, new R dot append -1. Okay, first issue is solved. Now I solve this element. If array have a duplicate element, then how can key value format? Dict is the key value format. If I use this dict, yeah, do you know counter? Counter, counter is the collection of Python collections. Okay, but for this you need to first import the Python collections. Okay, now I counter function use the count in an array all elements in a key value format. Count the array how many times occurred a specific element. For this using this. Okay, now I check this. If any element greater than value greater than 1 means that element is a duplicate. How can I check? Using for loop. Key val in t dot items. Okay. Val. Why val? Because of key is the element and value is the how many times occurred. Okay. Greater than 1. Then new array r dot append key. Okay. If I want to ascending order in whole duplicate elements, simple. You can return in a sorted function using sorted method. Python sorted new. This is only approach. How can I solve this in a? You can see. You can see. Oh sorry. Hi. Before this thing is done, then issue है. No issue. I show you. This is my approach. I explained to you, then I applied. I written because of time not wasting to your and my also. Then you can see the same approach. I compile my problem. Oh, output and expected output is the same. Good. And now I can submit. every test case is passed, means that our approach is a right. Okay, if you like my problem solving skill, if you want to more videos and more, if you give me any suggestion, any specific video you want, then you in a comment section written, I try to fill your wishes. And if you want more videos, then you subscribe me and like me.